What's up, everybody? Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you tips and tricks how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. All right, this episode we're going to be talking about best time of the year to visit Disney World. So, when is the best time of the year to go to Disney World? Now, I can say the parks are fun any day of the year, which is true. However, there are different times of year that may work better for you and your family. Join us as we go over some of the best times of the year to go to Disney parks. Now, you know what I'm about to say. Hit that subscribe and bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. When it comes to going to Disney World and Orlando in general, the best time to come for a visit is in between peak times. Peak time is during national holidays and summer vacation. During the holidays, and especially during the summer break, lots of families have time off to spend it together, and let's face it, they may want to spend it at Disney World. So, if you can, try to take your vacations between these times. There are lots of things to look forward to as well, aside from those lower crowd levels. When it's the off-peak times, the parks want to draw in more guests, so they create special events. Epcot has several festivals throughout the year, like their Festival of the Arts or their Flower and Garden Festival. All of these have seasonal food booths spread across the World Showcase for guests to sample. The Disney parks also have specialty ticketed events, like their Halloween event, Boo Bash, where you can wear costumes and enjoy the park in a more private setting. Another great aspect of coming during this time of year is the price. The price for park tickets depends on when you come during the year. This means off-peak season tickets tend to be cheaper, along with the hotel rooms. If you want specific times, a great time to come to Orlando for the theme parks is during January, April, and September. All of these times are in between peak times, and a plus is the weather is pretty nice too. None of those dreaded hot summer days waiting in line way too long. Instead, there's cool air and short lines. Our personal favorite time is September. School is back in session, so a lot of families are not on vacation. The festivals are in full action, some Halloween decor is up, and the temperature is going down. Now, Florida is known for our rain showers. Here's a quick tip. If you're on vacation during this time of year, it starts to rain. More than likely, it will stop in an hour. So grab a bite to eat or jump in line for a busy ride. By the time you're done, the sun should be out, the rain should be done, and guests who have a nearby hotel have left the park to escape the rain. However, if you cannot come between peak season and can only come during the summer or a holiday because your kids are off from school or that's the only time you can get off from work, there are still some ways to help with navigating the park during the peak season. Some of these cost you nothing. Make sure to get up early, plan all your reservations ahead of time, and do your research on opening times to hit the attractions you want first. Doing these can really maximize your time and help you be prepared for your trip. Another tip is this. If you're staying at a Disney property, you get to book your reservations early, including Lightning Lane through Disney Genie Plus, which you should definitely get if you're going to Disney during the high season. By the way, the Lightning Lane is available through Genie Plus and helps you skip the regular queue line, so less time waiting. You'll thank us later. You also get extra magic hours by staying at a Disney property, meaning you can get into the parks before the regular day guests can. That's right, you're more important. You could, honestly, if you look at the regular day guests, you're allowed to walk by them and go, no eye contact, please. I'm better than you. This means less people in the parks, less time waiting in lines, more time for you to do more things. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.